Hello YouTube. So welcome to the third part. So this will be, I think, so the second last part. I think four parts I have planned. So in this part, we'll show you one of my highlights. So it comes. The highlight is in the measure tab. Okay. Select any measure. So let's say I have one sheet here with a specific sheet ID. I'm copying the sheet ID. I'll go here and I'll just select enable navigation over the column. So it says give me a sheet ID. So I'm giving it a sheet ID here manually. I'll hit on save. So what happens is when I click on this header over here, sales, so it will navigate to sales. So if I say profit, I'll copy the sheet ID of profit and oh sorry, over here in profit tab, I'll enable navigation by column, give a sheet ID, save, profit, and I'm coming to profit. Sales, I'm going to sales. Okay. So this is one of the highlights. By clicking one of the headers, you can specify a particular sheet. One more option is you can enable sheet navigation over the cell value also. Okay. So I am only enabling over the sales, not over the profit. So if I click any value over here, I am not going to some sheet. Okay. When I click on the value of sales, I'll go to the sales sheet. Okay. So it doesn't make any sense going to a sheet when you click on a value. Okay. If you don't have a particular set of selections to be passed to that particular sheet. So to do that selection part, you need to enable this option. Select values. So there is a particular syntax to do it. I'll show you the syntax. So it is in text, okay, field name, okay, semicolon, value to select. Okay, example, dimension 1. Okay, now I want to select particular dimension, let's say A, B, and C. I want to select that. So normally what people do is they will write A if dimension is A. If they will write, basically they will write if condition. You don't need to write over here. Just add it like this. Okay. So it will automatically take A from if the column is added. Okay. So if I click on this, it will select that value and it will come back. So let's say I am clicking the C1 139 something something. So it will select C and it will come there. So one more highlight is that it doesn't mean that if the dimension is there, then only you can add it. No, that's not the case. So for other example, I'll take dimension 2 and I'll take A and B. I'll just take A. Okay. Over here in sales. And okay. Over here you need to write or. Okay. Then dimension 2 value, let's say B. Okay. Apply, save, done. When I click on this, I'll have dimension 2 as B selected, followed by dimension 1. Let's say I want to select A also. A is also falling over the selection parameter. You want to add one more selection of that same. How you can do that? Okay. So if you are confused, just go over here and see. So what I have done is I have field name, field value, okay, separated by semicolon. If you want to do multiple value, you have to separate it by colon. So it will be A colon B. Okay. So A and B will be selected in dimension 2. I'll save, I'll clear, save, and go here. Okay, dimension 2 AB, that particular dimension doesn't false B. So I'll go over here and say AB. Particular selection is passed. Okay. So you need to check if that particular selection is there or not. So there is one more when we are in selection part only. In table settings, you have option to enable selections. Okay. So this is the confirm selection mode. Okay. Confirm selection mode is there. So you can do it, don't confirm. Don't confirm option is also there. So if you click on B, it will directly select B. It will not give you that tick mark of confirming or not. Okay. It will directly go and select it. Okay. I don't want to select that. Single selection is also an option. Okay. I'll save. So in this session, we have covered the highlight, which is highlight of this extension is for the reporting. When you click on a cell, you are navigating to a sheet with specific selections. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see in the last highlight video, which will be custom headers, rows, and subtotals. You can add that also. Okay. I'll see you in the fourth.